I'm Prarthana. Now we are presenting our assignment on travel planning itinerary management system. It is a part of our software development methodologies. Problem statement. We all know how stressful it can be to plan a trip. You might use one app for flights, another for hotels, and yet another for activities. Last minute changes can become a headache. This fragment approaches lead to inconvenience, missed bookings, and stress. So our project aims to provide a unified solution that covers end-to-end travel planning, everything from booking to itinerary management. Next, objectives. First, a single platform for planning and booking, personalized itineraries. Our platform provides a single place to plan and book trips so users don't have to switch apps. Second, it generates a personalized itineraries based on users' preference and budget. Users can edit plans in a real time, which is very helpful for last minute changes, and we provide maps, reminders, and alerts to travel smooth. We ensure secure data storage and payment transaction so user informations and bookings are safe. And next will be continued by Kaustuba.
Hello everyone, I am Kaustuba and today I am going to present about the scope of the project of traveling and itinerary. Uh, scope This section tells what the project will cover and the boundaries of the system. Here the system is basically an end-to-end travel planner. End-to-end travel planning is about everything from from choosing a destination to returning home is covered, and the destination selection. Is when user can browse search different travel destinations, and accommodation booking is hotels and homestays or resorts can be booked, and travel scheduling creates an itinerary day by day schedule, and cost estimation is when system calculates approximate trip cost, and scalability can be used for individual families or large groups, accessible via web or mobile, works both on browser and an app. um, in simple terms, the project is like a one-stop travel assistant that helps plan, book, and manage trips. Next, we are going to system requirements. Here, this explains what the system must do, which is functional, and how it should behave, that is non-functional. Functional requirements features user login and registration. Travelers need accounts and search destinations and view itinerary. It helps user find where to go and plan their trips. Booking flights, hotels, and transport integration with booking system. um, Generate cost reports, show total estimation trip estimated trip cost, and non-functional requirements like qualities. First point is the reliability and security, safe transaction and user data protection, user friendly interface, easy navigation for all ages, fast response time, should load quickly, no delays, and cross platform support, works on Android, iOS, and webs. And that's it for my part, and next will be continued by Chandana.
Hello everyone, I am Chandana. Today I am here to explain about the continuation part, that is a use case diagram explanation. Use case diagram is a type of UML, that is a unified modeling language diagram that shows the interaction between the actors and the system being designed. It helps to identify the functional requirements of the system and how they are used by the different actors. In this specific use case diagram, we see the two actors, that is user and the admin. The user can perform the several actions such as login or register, search destination, book transport or a hotel, generate generate itinerary, and view budget report. The admin can manage the bookings. The diagram shows the different use cases and how they are related to the actors. It provides a clear understanding of the system functionality and how it will be used by the different users. Then going to the next slide, that is a class diagram. Class diagram is another type of UML diagram that shows the static structure of a system, including the classes, attributes, and the relationship between them. It helps to identify the key concepts and the entities in the system and how they are related. In this class diagram, we can see the several classes including like user, travel plan, itinerary, booking, destination, and payment. Each class has an attribute and methods that are define its behaviors. The relationship between the classes are also shown, including the associations and the aggregations. For example, a user can have a multiple travel plans and a travel plan can have a multiple itineraries. The marking on the arrows, such as star symbol, indicate the multiplicity of a relationship. In this case, the star symbol indicates that there can be multiple instances of the related class. For example, an user can have a multiple booking, so the relationship between the user and the booking would be marked with a star symbol. By analyzing the class diagram, we can understand the system architecture, structure, and how the different classes interact with each other. This helps to identify the potential design issues and ensure that the system is scalable and maintainable. Further will be continued by Annapurna.
This is Annapurna SK, and today I am here to explain about the architecture diagram as well as the advantages of the system. So the diagram shows how the system works step by step. So the user here, that means the user interacts with the system through a website or a mobile application. The next one is API gateway or load balancer. This is the entry point. It manages all incoming requests, balances the load access service, and provides security. Application layer will here it has the main service. The user service will manage accounts, login, and user preferences. The trip planning service will create personalized travel itineraries and plans. Booking services, it will handle hotel, flights, and activity bookings. Notification services will send alerts and updates to serve users via email, SMS, or app. The data layer, the relational database, that is MySQL, it will store user data, booking details, and travel history. The cache, that is Redis, it will store frequently used data for faster performance like search results. The the external integrations, the payment gateway for secure transaction, Maps API for routes, locations, and navigations, email SMS service for communication and reminders, hotel flights and APIs to get a real-time availability and pricing. The advantages of the system, the first one says reduces manual planning effort. It means users don't have to search separately for hotels, flights, or routes. The system does it automatically. The cost optimization means compares multiple options and finds the best prices. The personalized suggestions, it will be based on the user preferences history. It recommends trips, destinations, and activities. The time saving and efficient, the one step solution, plan, book, and get updates in a single platform. The real time updates will keep users informed instantly about delayed cancellations or offers. This is it for my part, and further will be explained by my teammate Priyanka.
I am Priyanka P. Now I am explaining about the challenges and conclusion. Challenges: travel planning system rely on external APIs for airlines and hotels. So if they face, the system is affected. Data privacy and security are major concern when handling personal and payment information. Managing last minute changes like cancellation and delay if difficult and need flexibility. Conclusion: this system simplifies journey management, making it easier for travelers. They provide a structured, cost effective, and enjoyable experience. In the future, they can be enhanced with AI based recommendation, real time language translation, and VR previews to improve user experience. Reference: books, articles, and travel and tourism management, online resources like travel blogs, government tourism sites, software. Thank you.